Okay, worker number 2, 10000.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, sir, please take your seat.
Afternoon. Afternoon.
Please introduce yourself loud and clear.
My name is Jeffrey L. Umbao. I'm 31 years old with one daughter. Uh, my live-in partner currently works in Taiwan. My work experience. I work in auto parts company. In 8 years, I started working from January 2017 to January 2025. Uh, my process is finished product handler. Uh, in our finished product is steering roll connector used for car. Thank you.
OK，好，这位是31岁，然后未婚，单身，带有一个小孩，然后他的那个整体工作经验是从2017 1月份到2021 月份，总共8年。大学说他在那个材料控制人员，但是他刚刚说是不一样的那个工作，我会问一下。So sir, you write here bio data material controller. Why is that you said right now that you are a finished product holder? So what is that? So what is the tool? Serial controller or finished product handler?
Finished product handler.
So what does that do?
Uh, after
Check.
uh,
Then you pack. What do you do?
after inspect the QC, put in on the box. Then the 8 box is full. I'm locate to the floor rack to the same model and scan the QR code of plot control.
So meaning you are the one arranging
Yes.
the product
Yes.
by type. Oh, so you are not a material
Not
controller.
not
So
ma'am.
why is it that you're a material controller? Next time you write the correct one, ha? OK，他说他的那个主要的那个工作就是，他的那个产品已经包好了，然后已经放在行李箱，放在那个箱子里面，然后那个箱子要分类嘛，然后分类的部分就是他在做这个工作。OK, sir, you write on your bio data you only work until 2025 January, right?
Yes po.
So what is your job from 2025 to 2026?
Mini business. Buy and
What
sell.
is
Buy and sell of rice.
right? Okay.
But the income is not enough.
Okay. So, 老板，我刚刚问他，因为他的仪表上面 是到2025 1月份而已。那2025到2026，我问他在干嘛，然后他跟我说他在那个做生意，然后他是从那个农夫那边买蜜嘛，然后他买，然后他会一样卖给别人。就是这个做生意的。好，Sir, I will ask you something.
Not ma'am.
So, do you have any tattoos?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
How about drinking alcohol?
Occasionally.
Occasionally. So, how many bottles?
3 bottle
3 bottles. Beer?
beer.
Okay. So, do you smoke, sir?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, you said you're single, but you have a live-in partner.
Yes, ma'am.
So, the same thing, huh? When you write down on your bio data, please check carefully. You should check the cohabitation.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay，我刚刚问他，因为他的列表上面有写说他是单身，但是他有讲他有那个同居人。Okay, so you said also your living partner is where? In Taiwan?
In Taiwan, Tainan.
In Thailand working. So how many years is she like there working?
2 years in
2
November.
years in November. So 1 year pa lang siya.
2 years last November.
2 years last
Last
November. Okay. Okay, so also in factory.
Yes, factory worker.
Okay. So she is the mother of your child.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you still in good condition?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So are you planning to see her when you come here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So one thing I will remind you, if you will be chosen to work here in Taiwan, about the drinking of alcohol, you should not go to work drunk. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So drinking alcohol at work is not allowed.
Yes, ma'am.
And also, you can only visit your wife if during your rest
Last
day.
day, ma'am.
So Thailand
Okay
is very far. Thailand is very far, huh?
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
located in the southern part of Taiwan. So, if you have a longer vacation or longer rest day, then you can see her.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because maybe if you will be going to work in the north, it will be very very far.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so only a reminder.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. So you have a child, a
Yes,
daughter, right?
yes,
4
ma'am.
years old.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who is taking care of your daughter?
My mother is taking my child.
So if ever you will be going here in Taiwan to work, so your mother will take care of your child.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that so?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. 好，老板，我刚刚问他，他有没有信心？他说没有。然后他有没有喝酒？他说他偶尔喝酒，然后他还生病，然后必酒的。然后我问他有没有抽烟，然后他说没有。然后刚刚问他，他的那个同居人在哪里？然后他说他同居人在台湾，然后目前在台南，然后他的那个同居人也是一样长工的，然后目前是已经2年多了。然后我也提醒他，然后他可以看他的那个同居人，如果他休假的时候，因为台南是很远很远的地方。好，然后我问他，因为他有一个小朋友，然后我问他如果他要来台湾的话，谁照顾他的那个小孩？然后他说他妈妈会帮忙照顾。然后 Sir, do you have any surgery before?
No, ma'am.
Okay. 他也没有开过刀。 How about any sickness?
No, ma'am.
So you're healthy.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, sir. So do you have any question?
No, ma'am.
What ask? No?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So good luck, sir, ha?
Thank you
Good
po.
luck.
Thank you po.
Good luck for starting the interview. Okay.
Thank you po.
Thank you very much.
Thank you po.